Step into the mystical world beneath the surface, where darkness gives way to the enchanting glowworm caves. The ceiling adorned with thousands of tiny glowworms, illuminating the cave like a starry night. Observe their bioluminescent glow, a captivating display used to attract prey and communicate with each other. The glowworms' silky threads dangle, resembling a constellation of delicate threads. As you traverse deeper, the entire cave transforms into a breathtaking celestial landscape. The world of glowworm caves, a mesmerizing journey into the heart of nature's light show.